Enabling two-factor authentication on your Airbnb account adds an extra layer of security. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your account. Go to the Airbnb website or open the app and log into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. On the website, click on your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Account. In the app, tap on Profile and then Account. Step 3. Find security settings. In the Account settings menu, look for the Security section. This is where you will find options related to account protection, including two-factor authentication. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. In the Security settings, locate the option for two-factor authentication. Toggle this switch to enable it. You may be prompted to enter your phone number if you haven't already done so. Step 5. Verify your phone number. After enabling the feature, you will receive a verification code via SMS. Enter this code in the provided field to confirm that your phone number is linked to your account. Now your Airbnb account is more secure with two-factor authentication enabled. Remember to keep your phone accessible for future logins.